Croeso nôl, welcome back to my regular series of Leaders Blogs, and I'm here in Llandaff North at the official opening of Cardiff Council's latest community hub, and it's part of a programme of investment that the council's been making across the city in bringing together a range of council services, housing advice, interwork services with our libraries and other community facilities. There's a community cafe here, for example, and that's really showing really positive results now with the local community. I'm joined by one of the local councillors, Councillor GWYLIWCH. And Dil, what do you think about this new facility?
Well, it's a wonderful facility under one roof, and the positive feedback from the local communities about the benefit service. All service will be receiving from the library, and this is the very excellent news in Llandaff North.
Of course, with a series of funding cuts to councils, this is one way in which we can keep those services going in the future, and it's part of a wider network of hubs with an expansion of St Mellons and a new hub in Llandaff that's planned for the future.